For years, Muslims around the world have been the targets of violent attacks. From the genocide of 8,500 people in Bosnia and the ethnic cleansing of 24,000 victims in Myanmar to the bloodbath in Nigeria and Central Africa. But have you ever wondered why in between all this, the Palestinian issue has always been given more attention than the others? This question can be answered from different perspectives. With a minimal view, some people summarize the reason for this attention: the geographical location of Palestine. They say that the ideal climate of this region, its fertile land and water channels, are so valuable that it should not be easily handed over to the outsiders. Others are concerned about the expansion of Israel's military bases and its supporters in the region. And they believe that if we don't stop their growth today, we have to wait for its expansion throughout the Middle East. But there's a bigger answer to this question. The answer that should be searched in a keyword called unity. The occupation of Palestine as the first Qibla of Muslims and the region that is located in between the Islamic countries is more than a temporary issue and has historical importance. That is why the Israelis, the British, and the Americans ignored all the geographical maps for years, and they chose the country of Palestine, which is not much in length and width, as a place to form an independent Jewish state. The weakening of Palestine means the weakening of Islam, and its destruction means casting the shadow of a 1,000-headed serpent of the Zionist rhyme over all Islamic countries. A rhyme that at different occasions has repeatedly cried out its racist beliefs in a loud voice and does not value the lives, property, or women of other people. More than 70 years of systematic killing and crime in the land of olives has now brought things to a point where being neutral has no meaning anymore. And the Muslims around the world should once and for all observe their duty towards this issue. Do they want to struggle for the freedom of the indigenous land that throughout the history has been the origin of divine prophets, or cooperate with the fake rhyme called Israel? The liberation of Palestine is the common goal that can bring all of us together, regardless of our differences. An alliance that the enemies are so much scared of that for years they have been trying to make us feel neglected towards it, using different strategies and tricks. Sometimes by creating civil wars, they pollute our hands with the blood of our brothers and sisters, and sometimes by promoting extremism and fueling religious differences, they engage us in excommunication of each other instead of fighting against the enemy who has been encroaching on the lives, wealth, and land of Muslims for years. But now it's time to join hands again like before, and let's fight together for the eyes that have been waiting for our help for more than 6 decades. Who knows, God willing, maybe soon, all of us, regardless of our differences, we stand shoulder to shoulder in the holy courts for prayers.